Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a comb cast on. So let's get to it. What you need to do first is bring forward into E position all your needles. And with an unthreaded carriage, you will have 2 passes of it so that the needles are lined up into B position. Next, with your needle pusher on the 1x1 side, you're going to move back every other needle into A position. You will next thread your carriage and do 1 pass over to the left. Take your comb and hang it on the yarn, making sure that the unused yarn is in front of the comb. You will bring forward back to B position the needles that we originally put into A position, and you're ready to knit. It is quite useful for hanging hems or gathering. Well, there you have it, a comb cast on. And if you would like to see different methods of casting on, click on the subscribe button. It's going to take you straight to my channel where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.